Hi, it's Lynn from LynnieC Designs, and today I'm going to coming on quickly just to show you a card very similar to this. I'm changing up the colours very slightly, and I'm using Sale-a-bration items, the Amazing You stamp set. Very easy to do. I managed to order the wood block version rather than the clear mount, but never mind. And because I love it, Celebrate You Thinlit dies. These I believe are carrying over into the new catalogue, so that's going to be brilliant because I think these are fabulous. So this is Blushing Bride and Elegant Eggplant and some of the silver glimmer paper and heat embossing. So the card I'm going to do for you today is going to be gold. So I've got the Versamark and the gold emboss powder. I've got a powder pink card base, which is half a sheet of A4 and folded in the middle, scored in the middle. I've got a piece of rich raspberry for the layer. This is the stamping bit, so that's going to go on there, and a little scrap for the sentiment so that I can put the words and then heat emboss, and then a scrap of the gold glimmer paper. So we've got powder pink and rich raspberry ink, and I've got my snips, and because I got the wood mount, I'm going to use my Stamp-A-Majig just because I want the images on this bit in a very specific place. So let me bring in some paper and I will get to the stamping. So I've got this lovely floral image, and I'm just going to put this on all the way around the edge of the card base, coming off the edge, and I'm just going to very randomly, not so that they're overlapping, but just put this round the edge so that there we go. One coming in off that edge. There we go. It doesn't matter about the centre of it because that is going to go on there. And then I'm going to stamp on this bit of paper. Let's have a look. Let's give you them. I'll give you the measurements afterwards. All the details will be on my blog. So I want to do the sort of little starburst image. Now the Stamp-A-Majig, I set it into the corner of the handle, smooth side up, get some ink on there, and with your stamp right in the corner, stamp down, and there you have the image. I'm going to turn that, and I'm also going to put the words in on the sheet as well because I want to have that very particular place. So let's have a look. I'm going to put that there. Sometimes I will put a little bit of removable glue on the back of this bit of paper just so that it actually holds it, but it's easy enough to do this with this way round. This isn't very movable, so I want that coming in off that corner, so we will move that, and then the handle holds that in place. There we go. Perfect. The gold glimmer paper I've already actually die cut. Look how marvellous that is. Just think that's so very pretty. That will be going on there, and then I want to, while I've got my stamp pads out and I've got the Stamp-A-Majig, but what I need that to do is clean off the stamp. I have got that's not very good. Look at that. It's come off the oh dear, I'm going to have to complain about that. But we're going to, well, not complain, I will contact Demo Support. Now, Demo Support for Stampin' Up are an amazing group of people, and they are absolutely brilliant. If we have any problems with our products, we give them a call, and they will very quickly resolve them for us. So I should have used, I'm not with it today, I should have used my stamping buddy on there to make sure there weren't any finger marks, but let's have a look. It's such a small amount of a small area, we've been lucky that time. So let's put all the stamping. As that's just such a little bit, I'm going to show you, sorry for the noise, but I will show you the magic of heat embossing. Look at that. Just to avoid getting your fingers too close. Perfect. I'm just going to use my snips. Because it's that simple. There we go. And it's a quick case of using some liquid glue . Stick that on there. In the UK, our post is quite pricey, so I tend to keep my cards quite flat, if you know what I mean, not put too much dimension on, so that looks about right to me. So it's a kind of even border all the way around. There we go. And then with the other bits, I'm just going to add a little bit of dabs of glue on there. Oop. Fingers and thumbs. And then with this I have a little bit of stamping sponge for the smaller die cut bits. Make sure it doesn't move around. Let me get enough of the glue on there. Just noticed it's left some of the backing paper in there, which we don't want. Stick that down on there. And then I'm going to use a bit of dimensional. I keep all my spare bits here. Being a frugal crafter, I don't want any bits to go not get used. So we will put a little slither there. Put that on there, and what I would do is leave that to dry. So that is amazing. The inspiration for the colours for this are taken from one of the designer series paper from the Occasions catalogue. So those are the two versions. Very quick today. But thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe if you like what you see and would like to keep up to date with my other videos. I try and post at least once a week. Thank you for your time. If you want to order any of this, go over to my blog or click on the links below and you can get to find out more about how you can get your hands on these lovely products. Thanks. That's all for now. Bye bye.